Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's a girl Rochelle
and it's a girl Chloe.
So as seen by the title down below, we'll be doing an unboxing video today. So this video is highly sponsored by JNSQ. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing and we're gonna be doing a try on haul video. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please I'm asking you to make sure that you drop a comment down below,
subscribe to the channel, leave a like in the video, and watch the ads.
And please remember to connect with me on all socials at @rich_shella. If it's a case where you guys want me to do any form of collaboration, my email will be down in the description box down below. So this is the package that we got. You see it huge? So anyway, Chloe is the main star of this unboxing video, okay? So we're gonna pull this package and see what is gonna be popping in it, okay? Yeah. And guys, for all the products that I'll be showing in the video, I'm going to be listing the products along with their link in my description box down below. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any of these items, you guys can go down in my description box, click on the link, and it will take you directly to the SHEIN app where you guys can purchase these products, okay? Also, you guys can search this code to get access to all these pieces. So the code is 4HPRL. So right in the search section, you guys type in 4HPRL and you guys have access to every single thing that I'll be showing you guys in this video. Also, you guys can use the coupon code JNSQ11TQ so that you guys can get 15% off any purchase once you use my code, okay? All right guys, so we're gonna be pulling the big package now. Hold on, the crew. The tape the fire say, you know, but you know I ain't pulling the tape, you know. The bag is still. The bag give me too much trouble. God, Chloe, look like we're going to want tape or scissors, you know. Look like we're going to want scissors or knife. Alright guys, so we're going to go in with the first item. Alright guys, so the first item on the top. So the first item on the top is this, guys. Alright guys, so this is a casual sports boot and it's an anti-slip shoe, right? See there, it's an anti-slip shoe. And guys, I'm not gonna tell you no lie, I know for a fact that this is comfortable just by the insole of the shoe. Yes, it's indeed comfortable. As you guys know, Chloe have a white pair of this, right? So I decided to get her the black because it's really nice and cute. And guys, come on, it's reasonable. Yeah, it's very reasonable as well. So I'm gonna make she try them on and you all see how they look on her foot, okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so the next item, take it out. Alright guys, so this is a color black sneakers and it's a trendy Christmas footwear shoe. So Chloe have this in black and white, and me see the red and the white and me say why not get it. So as I don't know, it's cute and nice to have sneakers like these that are indeed handy for your kids, for, you know, different occasions and stuff. So yeah, and but not like you see the way them lace up the shoes, it's so unique, as we only did see with the black one already. So that's with number 2.
No, number 3.
The third shoe now. Alright guys, so this is a red retro casual footwear shoe. As you can see, the bottom of the shoe. Yeah. So another red shoe to Chloe collection, which is indeed good. And guys, as I'm telling you, these are affordable items, so if you guys are interested in these, please may I ask you not to jump on the code. So we're going on with the fourth. Open it.
Wow.
Alright guys, so this is the other shoes. This is a low top fashionable basketball shoe, and it's so cute, as you all can see, cute and girly, and it's colorful. So as you guys can see at the side, it's a JNSQ, which is the brand name. And this is the thing that I love about this shoe. So it comes with this that, you know, you can put in the inside of the shoe, and then you have this right here. You can tighten the shoe, so it's not a lace up shoe. This is what I love about this. And when you want to loosen it, you just pull this up and then you just screw it back out. See it there, and you're good to go. So guys, I love this. So Chloe have this in white, and I think it's green and yellow stripe. Yeah, but me not like this. That one here, still off. And guys, this is comfortable. Okay, it's really comfortable. So I don't know, having nice sneakers like this is good and handy. So yeah, I'll put this back in. And as I said, this is so unique. Like at first I saw something like this, I always see them like with you know, the one where you can tear up into pieces and stuff, where them always putting on the shoes. So this is indeed nice. Chloe pulley. Alright guys, so this is a mesh sneakers for daily outdoor running. So I'm gonna show you all the detail of the shoe. So alright guys, so as you all see, this is a nice mesh footwear. And as you know guys, like footwear like these are indeed handy to have, because I know every time we want with kids them in some cluster, you know, shoes. So it's good when you have a breathable shoe where you know they can wear go out, right? And it's good for every and any occasion, same way. So we're going to show you all the last and final footwear that we'll be unboxing. Alright guys, so the last and final item, which is this. This is a summer fashion versatile pink cute beach indoor outdoor slippers. And guys, it's really nice. See there? Cute and girly. Cute and girly. Okay guys, so this is size 28 to 29. So we're gonna try these on and then you all see how they look. Alright guys, so we're gonna go in with the first shoe. Alright, turn on your shoes. Alright guys, so this is the first shoe. So as you can see, the shoes fit our foot. Nice. Yeah, so that's a Chloe, she got on a road. So as you can see guys, this fit are to the right up here, so no room in this here, so no know say this I just couple wear and done. Alright guys, the next shoe. Take out them there first. Alright guys, so as I say, step back real quick. This don't have any lace, so this is how you close this. So you just spin this. You just spin this. See there. You spin it until it's tight. Give me next one. You push it down. And then I spin it, which is unique. Alright, turn it now. Alright guys, so as you can see, I love this bad. This bad. And as you can see, JNSQ colorful shoes. Yes, turn around. And this have little room right up here, so same way. Our toe right here, so our toe right here, so they have a little bit more room up here. So alright guys, so this is a solid 10 for me. And the other one before was a solid 10. So to pull this, you pull it up like that. And then you loosen it out. Alright guys, so the next shoe. Alright guys, so as you can see, nice shoes. Yeah, go with some nice sweatsuits or so, and you know a she that she gonna road. So guys, I love this. Like I love the whole socks boot in one. Yeah, I like this. So I not lie, this is a 10 for me. And this fit her, so as you know, she not have much wear in this because it fit her. Onto the next footwear, which is this one. Come, you let it put room and space and sky in bed. Push your foot. Alright guys, so this is squeeze me kill me. Alright guys, so the reason why I said that is because this extremely tight on her the room in this one. So that's the reason why I said that. But as you know, she still have to get that shoes here for wear. She have the black and the white one to it. So this is the red and the white one to the black and the white one, where she did get from the same JNSQ before. So nice shoe, nice sport shoe to wear go out. Alright guys, so going on with the next. Use on with that one. Guys, I like the whole pattern thing right here with the stripe. I like it. I like the aqua with light yellow. Yeah, I like that. So she not gonna really get much wear in this one because it fit her, and I like no room in there where, you know, say she can say alright, then she have couple time where to wear in it. No, that is not the case with this. So you know, say maybe I just 1, 2, 3 time wear and then that's it. Alright guys, so the last and final shoe. Alright guys, so me end up pick wrong size with this here, and it's the reason why it's the reason why it don't look so on Chloe foot. So this is 28 to 29. Me should have chose 30 to 31, but nevertheless, next time when I'm going to be getting her slippers, I will keep that in mind. So, as you can see, this can use for like, you know, house purpose, same way, beach wear, same way, outdoors, same way. So next time when I go get her slippers next, I will have to get it 30, 31. And then I know say she have a good amount of space in there. But yeah, is slippers comfortable? You like it?
Yes.
Hey guys, and it's not a tough material. Slippers is a soft plastic slippers, so you all know how that goes. So she can have this to wear in the house. So guys, please remember to search my code 4HPRL in the search bar section in the app, so that you guys can have access to all these footwear that we've shown you all. And please remember to use my coupon code JNSQ11TQ so that you guys can get 15% off on any purchase. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. So it's a girl Rush,
It's your girl Chloe,
and we'll catch you all in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.